Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Blytheville local and long distance movers near me. Moving is inevitable. As long as growth happens, people will want to move. Despite the need to move, it is necessary to properly examine the cost of moving. According to city data, Blytheville has a population of 13,455 with a median household income of 39,869 as of 2019. As of 2019, Blytheville's cost of living index was 77.9, falling short of the U.S. standard. However, Blytheville holds prospects for residents and visitors. As you finalize your moving plans, allow Blytheville AR movers to help make the moving process seamless. The act of moving is filled with a lot of symbolism. There is hope for a new beginning, the desire to crush past disappointments, loss, anxiety, and the lurking fear that this might end like the last one. The emotional pressure associated with moving is already a lot of work. Hence, Blytheville Local 3 Movers offers to remove the physical stress. As long as you are moving within Blytheville, Blytheville Local Movers want to do all the physical work for you. This is one reason why they rank high in Blytheville Movers in 2023. Blytheville, Arkansas Movers will help you with the following: packing up belongings, loading them onto a moving truck, transporting them to your new home, unloading and unpacking them. Having ticked every item on your checklist, you can ease into your new environment by participating in budget-friendly fun activities. Try them out. Moving your properties over 400 miles can be tiring, expensive, and dangerous to the items being moved. This is why Arkansas Movers offer to help you out. No matter your reason for wanting this long-distance move, Blytheville Long Distance 3 Movers boasts a professional team handling every logistics. 3 Movers understands that long-distance moves must be made carefully and in record time. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.